Now that the CDC is recommending all Americans wear some type of mask while out in public, there's a mad dash to find materials to make them. Several women in the Somali community here in Minnesota are stepping up. Fox 9's Christina Palladino live for us tonight. Christina, everyone is trying to do what they can.
That's right. One University of Minnesota student knew exactly who to ask when her professor put out the call for volunteers to make masks. Her mother is a professional seamstress, and she got to work right away.
I wanted to help them, my community.
Hawa Elmi says she's trying to help protect her fellow neighbors from COVID-19 by making handmade masks. The professional seamstress has already made around 30 of them until many local stores ran out of supplies because so many people are rushing to make their own.
When I asked her to make the mask, I said, Mom, they have a protocol, they have instructions on how to do this. I was like, let's try to follow it to the best that we can. And she was like, she was like, nope, let me try it my own way. And I kid you not, it was exactly how they wanted it and even better.
Her daughter is studying to become a pharmacist at the University of Minnesota. Her professor put out a plea for anyone who knows how to sew to start making masks for non-COVID-19 related patients and healthcare workers. The masks will be given out to some Alina and M Health Fairview locations.
American, it's my country. It's everything for us. So, little help, it makes a difference.
Hawa came to this country as a refugee from Somalia. She says Minnesota has welcomed her and her family with open arms, given them everything they need. She says this is one small way she can give back to her community and hopefully help prevent the spread of this deadly virus.
You're Somali, you're American, you're black, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it does not discriminate
anybody.
And as soon as Hawa and her daughter can find materials like the elastic bands that hold the mask together, they will get started working as soon as they can. Randy and Kelsey.